my kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, thank you so much for joining me. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share, so we get to know each other, communicate, vibe, learn from each other, grow, and all of that good stuff. In this video, I'm going to review the Curls Cashmere and Caviar line. I was sent the product and I'm going to give it a try. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. This is the packaging of it. So it comes with 5 products. It comes with the hair bath. To really test that out, because again, if you're a part of the crew and a part of the family, you know that I do not like shampoo. It shits my hair and it dries out my hair. So I do my mud cleanse to substitute for not using store-bought shampoos and stuff. So I mean, a good thing with this is charcoal. Same thing as it's similar to the mud that I do. So we're going to see if it's just my hair or not. We're going to see if it makes it soft and my hair feels silky. So we're going to test that out. I'm not gonna pre-poo my hair or anything. I'm just gonna use these products. I'm just gonna use this line. We're going to see. Next one they have is the Cashmere and Caviar hair mask. Step 3 is the hair silk. So this is how it looks. I have a gel. So this is the gel. Smoothing hair gel has light hold with added sheen and definition. So the light hold part means I'm not doing the wash and go. That's what that means for me. I'm definitely not doing a wash and go. Yeah, I wouldn't be able to do a wash and go with this gel. I'm going to try to do BANTU knots. I think I did it when I was relaxed. That was years ago, but I haven't done BANTU knots on my natural hair. So we're going to try that together. We're going to see how it comes out together. So yes, so that's the gel. And then lastly, you have their hair serum. So it's like their oil. Replace the oil. So again, I'm going to try not to use any other products because I like to still with my oil mixture, but I just want to see how these products work by themselves. That's what I'm going to try with these products. I'm only going to use these products. I'm not going to pre-poo my hair. I just want to see how the shampoo works without pre-pooing my hair to give it the ultimate test. I'm not going to do my homemade deep conditioner that I also do. I'm just going to use their chocolate shampoo. I'm going to use their mask. And yeah, they're leaving their hair serum and their gel and do the BANTU knots. I'm gonna come back on camera and I'm gonna show you guys, and we're going to see how this works. I'm gonna go wet my hair because I'm not getting in the shower. It'll be too much for me to do all that stuff. Bring the camera in the shower. So I'm gonna go wet my hair and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how the shampoo works with my hair.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
So I just finished shampooing my hair, and can I say honestly that I love this shampoo. It didn't strip my hair at all. My hair really does feel soft. Looking for a shampoo, and if you want to use a shampoo that doesn't strip your hair, the Cashmere and Caviar line is the way to go for curls so far. Now, am I saying that I would just cut out my mud cleanse? No, because even though it doesn't strip my hair and it makes my hair feel soft, what the mud also does is it defines my curls. So definitely when I want to do a wash and go, I would still do the mud cleanse. But if I didn't feel like doing the mud cleanse and I just wanted to shampoo my hair, I would use the Cashmere and Caviar Curls shampoo, because this shampoo is amazing. Like, how did you even come up with this formula? I don't understand. So now I'm going to do mask. my cap and sit under the hood dry for about 15 minutes. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you, and then we're going to get going with the Bantu knots.
A few moments later.
Now we're going to attempt these Bantu knots. Again, I never done it on my natural hair. I did it years and years ago when I was relaxed. So we're going to see how this turns out. So I'm going to take the hair silk. Ooh, this feels really nice. It feels really nice. A twist. This is the finished product. I'm gonna let it air dry for a couple hours, and maybe I'll sit under the hood dryer as well. I'll let you know once I'm done, and yeah, I'll come back and show you the results. About 26 hours later, after I finished doing my Bantu knots, and now we're going to take it out to see if I like it, how it came out, how my hair feels, does it feel soft, does it feel moisturized, and all that good stuff. And I'm going to use my oil mixture to take it down so I don't have any frizz. Soft. Which is a good thing, and it looks shiny. We're going to separate it. So far, I'm liking it. It's dry. These two are a little, just a teensy bit damp, so I'm gonna be careful when I'm separating those. But everything else is dry. It feels soft, moisturized. So we're going to separate it and see how this goes. So what I'm gonna do, is clip these up out of my face so I can separate. This part is still wet. I'm gonna try to figure something out, try to do something, because I really love the way it came out. My hair feels so good, my hair feels so moisturized, my hair feels so soft. So these products is a go. These products is bomb. These products is everything. But I'm gonna try to fix this middle part with like a bobby pin or something. Give me a second. Love the results. I love how defined it is. I love how soft it is, even though the roots on the top wasn't as dry as I would like it to be. Next time I just know I have to send it to the dryer, which I don't like doing, but I come to the conclusion for hairstyles other than a wash and go and my twist out, I have to send it to the dryer for any perm rods, flexi rods. Now BANTU knots, I have to send it to the dryer just to make sure that it's dry. But these products are amazing. Again, it is for the kinky and kinky curly hair texture. It really does work for the hair, for kinky hair textures. It's made for us. It's targeted to us, to the kinky and kinky curly hair textures and hair types. And I honestly will recommend this hairline. Yeah, I honestly love it. Like, I've never tried BANTU knots on my natural hair, and I love the way that it came out. I love how soft it is. It's just amazing. So again, I'm gonna come on for day 2 here tomorrow to show you we got bigger, fuller, looser, all that good stuff. Hey my royals, so I'm back. And this is day 3 here. I wasn't able to come on camera for day 2 here, but this is day 3 here. And I'm loving it more and more as the day goes on. It still feels soft. It still feels moisturized. And it's still defined. Just a little bit of frizz, but that is okay. That is normal. I don't mind the frizz. It's life. It's getting hot outside. So what can you expect? I love this product line. I love the curls and it's the curls, cashmere, and carry on collection. It is amazing. It is now in Target. Yeah, it should be now in Target. And if you go out and try this line, let me know how it works for your hair. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know what you like. Again, this is targeted and marketed towards the kinky and curly kinky hair texture and hair types. And this is just for us. This is for our hair textures. And if you don't have kinky and curly kinky hair, maybe it'll work for you. I'm not sure. And if you want to try it out, try it out. And also let me know how it works for your hair texture and your hair type. So yes, I'm loving this BANTU knot out. It's my first time trying it. I'm gonna try it again. It may not come out good like this one, because every time I try a new hairstyle, the second or third time I do it, it doesn't come out right. I don't understand why that always happens to me, but it does. So if any other products that you may use for your BANTU knot outs, let me know. Comment down below so I can try it out and I can see. And I can let you know if it works for my hair, and I can let you know how my hair absorbs it and how my hair likes it. Just let me know. Comment down below. And yes, until next time, my kings and queens and my royals, be great and continue to go after your dreams and your aspirations and your goals. And until next time,